already, oh! Shh. I'm making a Daft Punk helmet. So far, I have a vacuum forming box and a 3D printed visor. I have to complete the helmet for Maker Faire Bay Area, which will begin in May 18th, in 19 days' time. Alright, vacuum forming attempt number 2. And to make this harder, I decided to do a live stream of it. We'll see what happens. Let's try not to burn that house down. So today I am going to do some vacuum forming, and I tried to last night and I failed miserably. I got it all stuck to my grill. It was horrible. Oh no. I don't know if you can see. Did it work? No! Alright, it didn't work. And I'll show you why. It worked a little bit. So this is perfect up to here, this bit, but not all the way down. And I think what happened was 2 things. 1, I didn't wait enough, it wasn't hot enough. And 2, when I was pressing down, I couldn't feel a seal here on the rim of my frame and the box. No, I thought I was gonna be done tonight. Oh, no. Less than 2 weeks until Maker Faire. Oh. Third time's the charm. Yes! Yes, it is working. Oh! Oh, no more vacuum. Okay. No idea how I'm gonna put this. Yes. Let's build this helmet. get ready to bondo! Not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. Excited. Doing. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Okay, it's 1 week until Maker Faire, and I think I need more sanding. Six days until Maker Faire. I've been sanding all week after work. Let's get started. Four days until Maker Faire. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Until Maker Faire. 2? It doesn't work.